Welcome to Simple Stacker. This is an exciting one today, guys. My delivery of this rare beaut, my DC trading coin box, has just come through, and we're going to unbox it right now. So let's get some information, is it? Right, so let's check this out. The DC X Mint trading coins, the unlimited collectibles for DC fans. That's the spiel, right? That's the spiel. And for some reason the website won't let me operate properly. So what we got is DC Essentials. The Newey Mint, this year's Newey Mint trading cards. And what they say is delve into the DC universe, combining rare and epic collectibles with a thrill of trading. 6 distinctive sets with a total of 51 coin designs bring iconic superheroes and villains to life in action-packed detail. Prepare to embark on a thrilling journey. So what you can expect, there is going to be one card in there which is of a 250 mintage. It's always the same. It's always a common card, okay? And then after that you get an uncommon. Well, then the second card is possible to get any of the cards. So you could get an uncommon, which is 150 mintage, a scarce, which is 50 mintage, a rare, which is 30 mintage, an ultra rare, which is 20 mintage, and a mythic, which is 10 mintage. And the mythic is a gold piece. And that's what it is. So these are trading coins. Not many of these done in the UK. Gotta give a shout out to Cobra Stacker. The Cobra got this for me. Love him. He got a load of them. He did well out of them, I gotta be honest with you. And he got me this set. So big shout out to the Cobra Stacker. If you haven't checked him out, go over to his channel, check him out. He's great. Okay, so should we get on with it? Should we get on with it is the question. I think so. Let's open this bad boy. And that's it. Packaging has been broken. So we're going to do a little inspection of the box. So let's have a look at this box. There it is. There's the outside of the box. As you can see, she is sealed like a mofo all the way across the back and into the other side, right? So let's first of all break the seal. No going back after this. That's the seal on one side broke. Let's break the seal on the other side. That's the seal on the other side. Okay. So, God, I'm nervous. The moment of truth. Should we turn it the right way around? Should we do that first? So we got it proper. There we go. And let's lift the lid off of this bad boy. What we should find in here is 2 velvet sleeves, or whatever they're made of. I'm not sure what they're made of actually. Well, no, it should be a box first. So there it comes. Off we go. Let's pull that open. Oh, it's so nice. I love the way they do this. Newey Mint again. Awesome Newey Mint. They're putting out some. They're just doing the best stuff, really. To be honest, out of all the mints out there, maybe you know, I quite like the stuff that's coming out of the Korean mint, but Newey smashing it out the ballpark, especially with these trading coins. I'm obviously going to lose money. That's for sure, because you just can't not you just can't really not lose money, especially over here, because you've got to have them imported for a start. So should we open it and find out what's going on? There it is. There's it open. So we got the handbook. Pop that back there. We don't want to know what's going on yet, do we? We've got the handbook, right? So we open that up and it shows you your limited mintage. I don't know why they call it limited. It is limited. It's 250 pieces, but that's your base level. Yeah, uncommon. That's your second level. You know, cool. We got in the let's go back to this first one, right? We got Aquaman, Batman, Batwoman, the Flash, Green Lantern, Hawkman, fucking hell, Hawkman, Nightwing, Shazam, Superman, and Wonder Woman. Out of all of them, who do I want the most? Let's think about this. It's got to be either Batman or Superman, to be honest with you. Yeah. No, change my... I really like Wonder Woman, but I don't think it's because of Wonder Woman. I think it's because of... what's her name? Gal Gadot. Oh, wow. That woman's just fantastic. Right. Next one, we got Batgirl, Beast Boy, Catwoman, Cyborg, Donna Troy. No idea who Donna Troy is. I'm quite versed in like all the comic books and stuff, but I don't know who Donna Troy is. Green Arrow, Raven, Robin, Starfire. I don't know who Starfire is either, and Supergirl. So that's your uncommon mintage. Then you start getting into the scarce mintage, is where it starts getting exciting. And we got Bane, Black Adam, Black Manta, Deathstroke, Lex Luthor, Penguin, Poison Ivy, Reverse Flash, what? Riddler, and Sinestro. Then we'll get into and now this is our rare mintage. Okay, so we got Batman, the Flash, Harley Quinn, Joker, Ra's al Ghul, Red Hood. I don't know who Red Hood is, gotta be honest. Starro. I don't know who Starro is either. I don't know what that is. Superman, Trigon. Also don't know who that is, but obviously we all know who Two-Face is because of the Batman films. And then we get into our ultra rare mintage. So this is Batman Family, Birds of Prey. So these are all the groups: Green Lantern Corps, Justice League, Justice Society, Legion of Doom, Legion of Superheroes, Suicide Squad, Teen Titans, and the Crime Syndicate. And that is your ultra rare mintage. And then at the end there you've got a single Batman mythic mintage, with only 10 of them. So that's the pamphlet. That's your DC pamphlet. So we'll put that just to the side for a minute, okay? And then we're going to have a little look at the first one of these two. Now this will be, I'm pretty sure that this is going to be green, and it is green. It is. So let's have a look. What is it, guys? What is it? And it is whatever that is. I don't know who that is. Let me look. Hang on, guys. Let me look. Let me just check it. So that is 81 of 250, and it's Batwoman. Okay, so that's what we got. We got Batwoman. Not a character I really would have wanted, but it is what it is. And then we got the second one. Now, what colour is this going to be? What is this going to be, guys? It's red. It's red, right? So red is scarce mintage, right? So we got a scarce mintage. I think it's red. So red, or is there an orange? There is an orange, but I think this is red. Okay, so we got a scarce red, and it is, oh my god, it's only the Flash. Number 20 of a mintage of 50. I am ecstatic about that, to be honest with you. I am ecstatic about that. I'm very happy indeed. So let's just double check that I'm right. This is reverse flash, and it's 20 of 50 reverse flash. That is fantastic. What an epic thing. So let's give you a little. Let's just take this out of here. Oh, I've made a mistake putting them back, haven't I? Wow. Sorry, I had to tip it up because I just couldn't grab hold of them, to be honest, guys. So let's have a look at this, right? Let's get a good 4K jobby on this for you. And the artwork, again, I love it. I absolutely love it. The artwork is amazing. Look at that. Look how good that looks. And then the reverse, obverse. Is it the obverse? And that's what we're dealing with for the obverse. What an amazing thing. What an amazing thing that is. And then let's have a look at this one. Let's have a look at this close. There we go. Wow, that is amazing. Reverse flash. Cool. How cool is that? How cool is that? Right, reverse flash. So now let's deal with the elephant in the room. Oh, I'm so stupid. You can just push it at the bottom there and it comes up. Bonehead. What a goon. Let's deal with the elephant in the room though, guys, right? So let's have a look at what they might be selling for, just to get an idea, okay? Just to get a little idea. So that red one, I know, because it's only a mintage of 50 coins, is gonna be, you know, it's gonna be a little bit on the rarer side, should we say? You know. So let's check it out. Right, so we found some reverse flashes. And there's one in Canada and there's one in the United States, and they are selling for around 450, between 400 and 450 pound is what that one's selling for. 37, 46. So I don't know about this one. This one's number 20. So I don't know what'll go on with that, to be honest. But let's have a look at what they're actually selling for. Is it? So one sold, reverse flash, 32 of 50, sold for 548 plus 51 postage. So it's nearly £600 for that. And then we got another one that sold for 346, but it did sell for 346. So that's good news. That means that particular card is going to net me anywhere between, say, 350 and 550 pound, depending on what the crack is at the time. Now let's have a look for Batwoman. Let's see what Batwoman's doing. Right, so Batwoman, there's a couple actually being sold right now. We got 148 of 250 being sold and 70 of 250 being sold, and they're currently both sat on £120 for. But this is, you know, these. Okay, so we've got one that's sold for 235 because it was 123. Okay, so it's 123 out of 250. That's the only reason that sold. That's the only reason that sold for that much money. We got another one here which is 107, sold for 160. So if we think about it, 5, 6, maybe. I mean, the maximum you get is about 700. And the minimum you're going to get is, say, 500 for the two cards. So that's a result. That's a profit on what I paid. Very happy with that. So yeah, great. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think it's worth buying a DC trading card box? Do you guys think they're a waste of money? Is it, you know, would you gamble on it, or you know, or would you just leave it? What about the Newey Mint? Do you think the Newey Mint are doing good stuff, or do you think they're barking up the wrong metaphorical tree? But let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe. And this is the Simple Stacker. I've been the Simple Stacker, and this has been unboxing my DC Newey coins trading cards. So thanks for watching, and peace and love, and I will see you all for the next one. I'm out.